Hi kids, good morning. Hope you are doing well in this pandemic situations. Today we are here to tell you about the house gardening and waste management. First of all, I'll introduce myself. I'm Supriya from Kengeri campus and my team members are Rutika, Anvin, Cyrus and Harshvardhan. Here to tell you about the importance of the home gardening and the introduction to the home gardening. Let me show you our household gardening. Home gardening refers to the cultivation of small portion of land which may be around the household. Gardens take on many forms, from a few plants in containers to large garden plots in the backyard. The benefits of home garden makes physical exertion and cost of gardening worth of the effect. Gardening gives you instant access to fresh produce so that you are not forced to visit the grocery shops or farmers market to find out.
Hi guys, I'm Rudika from Christ Kengeri campus. We'll use a plastic bottle to make a planter. Take any plastic bottle to use the planter. It's really waste and you can cut it into half using a cutter. Now take the cap of the bottle and make a hole in it. Once you have done that, take a thread and make a knot in the towards the end. Now pierce out the thread towards the back side of the cap, just like in the video. You can look at this picture. Once you have done that, add some soil to the upper part that we have cut. Now you could use any seeds. I have used mustard seeds, and take the seeds, sow it in the soil, and after that take some more soil and add it to on the top, and add some water to it. Do not add a lot of water. Now put water in the lower part of the cutout and put it like this and wait for it to germinate, and these are the result. If you have an empty tin, use it as a planter. Take some soil and put it in a net. Now look for any sprouted seed or onion. I have used an onion and sow it in the soil and add some water and keep it in sunlight.
Hey, thank you, Ritika. You explained well about the procedure for sampling. Now, let me introduce a waste management that is a part of a lesson of today for this day. And the waste management will be done by Anvin. Now let me give you an introduction to waste management. Waste management includes the activities and actions required to manage waste from its inspections to its final disposal. This includes the collection, transport, treatment and disposal of waste, together with monitoring and regulation of the waste management process. And now Anvin will tell you about the procedure of waste management disposal.
Hi guys, we all know we have wet waste at home. Leftover fruit peels, vegetable peels, it can be really utilized. It decomposes really fast, it's biodegradable. So take the wet waste in your garden or your plant, dig out the mud, make sure it's little deep, and it's going to decompose once you put it in the soil and cover it by soil. And you can plant a tree there. It acts as manure, it has minerals. That's it for today. Thank you. I hope you all learned a lot from this video. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day.